never let go.
Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be creating some wall art using Dollar Tree items. I'll be using this 8x10 frame with the mat in it and this Bliss kitchen towel. So what I'm going to do is cut the Bliss out down to size, and I like it because it has this white mat around the border, and you go ahead and just cut your towel down to size. The way these towels are, the Bliss is going to be at the bottom, which is kind of different, and I like it. So you're going to have to cut your towel down to size, and you will need to iron the wrinkles out of your towels. I didn't do it right here, but later on I had to go back and iron it because you do want your artwork to look nice. Even though you're only paying $2 to create it, you still want it to look nice. And when I glue the towel down, you have to pull it tight. So if this is your first time coming to my channel, hello, I'm Miss V. I focus on ways to help you save money, like I'm doing now. I'm helping you create, showing you ways to create an inexpensive artwork that is inspirational and it's cute. So I'm into the black and white decor, so this is what I'm creating here on this video. So you'll see me pull the towel tight as I'm gluing it down, because you want your decor, even though it's inexpensive, you still want it to look nice. See all those wrinkles in the towel? So I had to go back and iron those wrinkles out. You'll see at the end. Then just put your backing on. After you glue it down real tight, pull it tight. And so if saving money and creating inexpensive items is your thing, go ahead and subscribe. So this is what you have after you've ironed all the wrinkles out. An inspirational quote in a frame for $2. This is another piece of wall art I created using the Dollar Tree towels. If you like saving money, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and hit that like button and share this with family and friends.